What's up, y'all? I'm going to show you how to install a TikTok pixel on your guys' ClickFunnels. A lot of different ways to do it with ClickFunnels, but the one thing you do got to know with this too, and I'll show you as we go along. Well, I'll just kind of get into it. So first thing you're going to do is create the pixel. You got to agree. With this one, I'm going to call it Action Template because that's the funnel that it's going on. You do not. This for some reason never works. Tried it several times, and I use Google Tag Manager on a lot of things, but it doesn't work when you try to connect it. You can still use Google Tag Manager to do it, but just it doesn't work using it through the app itself. So you can manually install it into your own Google Tag Manager, or you can manually install it on the funnel. For this one, just for ease, because I have the funnel open, I'm going to do that. So we'll copy to clipboard. One. No, it's not this one. So, settings. Cool. So you're going to take you copied it, you're going to take it, and we're going to paste it. You can paste it inside of the head. I actually am going to use Google Tag Manager now that I think about it. So if you were going to paste it just directly on the site, you would do so here. You go enter, enter, and you boom, paste it. I'm actually going to use Google Tag Manager now that I think about it, just because organization-wise, it would make the most sense. So I'll show you how to do that. Tag Manager. Generally, Google Tag Manager is the best option for any tracking code, whether it's Facebook Pixel or anything. Keeps everything organized. You can set up conversions that you would never be able to if you didn't have it. So it's actually a much more advanced thing. Sorry, I got several accounts. Let's go this one on. Boom, there it is. That's what we're gonna do. Let's go tags. Already got that going. Triggers, we should already have that. So for you, you're not gonna have to set up a trigger or anything. The only thing you have to do is set up a tag, so you don't need to worry about all the other stuff. You're gonna go new. We're gonna go with Tik Tok Pixel. General, since there's no custom conversion happening. So for us, you can look at all of these. None of these are you're going to click. You're actually going to go to custom HTML. So all of these are for different, they have a lot in here. It can get kind of confusing. There's some pretty cool stuff in here actually that I want to make more videos about, but you're actually going to go to custom. Boom. You're going to paste it. Yep, everything looks good there. You guys don't have to go to advanced. Not important. All pages. Let me just make sure you get that. So it's a page view. You want it to trigger on all pages because this pixel, we want to make sure it's firing on any page of our funnel or our site. Save that. Submit. Publish. Skip. Kablam. Should be done. So now we'll go back to the events. Go next. And for us, it's going to be form submission. So for e-commerce, it really doesn't matter because you can choose your own custom. I've done custom a lot of times. But for this, because it's a lead form, it'll be this one. I'm actually going to do custom just because I like custom. So page view, event name, we're going to call it opt-in form. Form view. Do it once. And then you want to add, so however many you got, you want to add one. So then for us, it's going to be, we got a lead, place an order, complete payment details button, click form submission. That's going to be somebody submits the form, becomes a lead. Gosh darn it, bug. Value optional. USD every once, continue. And after this too, I'll show you how to verify your pixels working. All right. Let's boom. Destination URL. So if that's where, so you can actually, what's pretty cool about what I like about TikTok Pixel is you can choose clicks. So if you want to go on the click, but since it's a page view, I'm still going to do destination URL. And let's add rule. Skip, actually, I'm going to cancel that real quick. I'm going to use opt-in as the contains. Copy, paste that there. And that's for the page view, save. Now the next step, if we do this, get template now, it has the thank you page, and that's literally as simple as it is. Nothing complicated at all. Very, very simple. Go to this one, destination URL. Add page browser, page URL contains. Thank you. Save. Complete. All right, cool. So now if we want to see that our pixel is firing accurately, I've done this several times. It takes probably about 24 hours before you actually start seeing events happen, as long as you're sending traffic, if you're sending traffic to the site. Otherwise you won't see any events because nobody's going to land on it randomly if you don't have like people actually going to the page. But when you go to this, let's take that out. Let's go to the steps. Bug. We'll click this guy. Got this bug around me that's so annoying right now. It's like a tiny, tiny gnat. All right, so then there's this thing called the, I gotta reload, I think. Should be fine. Oh, looks like, hey, that was good. I'm going to show you guys how to see if it is working or not. Proper installation, it might take a little bit. But there's this thing called the TikTok Pixel, oh wait. Let me see if I can Google and give it to you guys. TikTok Pixel Helper Chrome extend. Let's see if it just comes up. Yep, this is the one. So this is the one that you'll add, and they'll tell you if there's pixels or not on a TikTok pixel on your funnel slash thing. Let's go to Google Tag Manager. Okay. Anytime I've done this before too, it does usually take a little bit to start triggering. We're doing page view, form submission. I'll go to this one. So when it is tracking events, this is what it'll look like. So you can see page views, place order, complete payment, all the way down. So yeah, that's what it'll look like. Any further questions? I sound like a teacher there. Any further questions? If you guys got any questions, you can just comment them. Then I'll respond to them when I can. Yeah. So yeah, that is that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, I think I'm done. Talk to you guys later.